Hey guys, it's Ashley from Editor Reviews, and today we're unboxing Simple Happy Kindred. This is a new subscription that sends artisanal, vegan, cruelty-free items from small businesses all over the place right to your door in this awesome looking box. Look at the mandala on there. Isn't it pretty? I have actually been following them since they first like their pre-launch. I remember seeing it, I thought, ooh, that looks like a really good box. So they do have two different options to choose from. So the first is their mini box, and that's $35.99, and it has 3 to 4 items. And then there's their deluxe, which is $49.99 and has 5 to 7 items. I don't know which one this is. We'll easily be able to tell. I'm excited. I don't know what's, I do know one thing because I went on their website to check all the pricing and stuff like that. And I saw one of this month's, the June, if this is the June box, which I'm pretty sure it is. Cool. All right, it's a little thank you. And then here, so here, yikes, I heard something clickety clacker. All right, handmade with love, especially for you. I'm so excited. These are like my favorite boxes. All like the all natural, handmade from small businesses. That's my jam. All right, so, ooh, look at this. Kindred Collective. Discover, Grow, and Be Happy. The Soul on Fire issue. Issue number 1, June 2018. So they have contributors, contents, creating a plan of success. Ooh, Britt Lynn, igniting the spirit with Britt Lynn. So there's like a contributor. It looks like she's does some yoga, which I have not been doing lately, and I feel so empty without that. I know. So I'll read this. Hopefully it inspires me. Jessica Scott on self-discovery. Oh, this is really cool. Staying the Course, Mastering Mindset. I love her hair. Look at her hair. She's gorgeous. Carrie Kinsey, Enjoying the Ride. That's where I'm at in my life. I'm enjoying the ride. I love this little magazine though. Isn't that cool? All right, so here's some cards, business cards. And then there's a little print here. It says, be fearless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire. I love this. I love this. You have to be. It's true. It is so true. All right. So some cards from vendors, a wildroseherb.com. So there's a little sticker from a company with a flower. And then we have right here, let me just show you so you can kind of see what's going on there. There's what we have. Isn't it gorgeous? I think this is the deluxe. I'm pretty sure because there's a ton of stuff down there. The monthly habit tracker. So this is a little, I guess you would write down good habits. Like, let's just say you want to make your bed every day, which is something I do. That's a big thing for me. And so then every day that you do it, you click it off. I don't know, maybe you could do it for negative, but I think that you would probably want to focus on the positive to develop those good, healthy habits. So there's that. I like that. How can I implement it? So this is the item I saw as a spoiler. This is a vegan leather journal. I don't remember who it's from though. And there doesn't seem to be a little info listing. Anyway, that's not the point. Let's look at it. Isn't this beautiful? So it has this little tie. And it has, okay, so it's from Afar Journal. From afar are thoughts to be shared. From Tremundo.com. Isn't it hand? It looks like it's hand bound. Oh, it's so gorgeous. I'm in love with this. Isn't it pretty? It's just got like seagrass and it's very like calming. Oh, I love it. Reminds me of like, I don't know. Oh, so pretty for the summer. It's soft too. It's so soft. I love it. All right. Moving on. We've got organic tub tea. This is white tea, ginger, and bergamot. So I guess you put this. Oh, it's like, oh, I know what it is. You put this in like your bath, and it's gonna like put all these like aromatic herbs and stuff in there, but like it's in a tea bag. I don't know if you can see that. And it's very like relaxing and calming. This is from Blackberry Sage at iCloud.com. I'll have to check that out. Ooh, it's got so much stuff. It's not just white tea, ginger, and bergamot. It's also organic lemon, verbena, organic lemon balm, lemon peel, lemongrass, lemon, bergamot, essential oil, Epsom salt, white tea. I can smell it now that I've had it out. It smells amazing. I love that. I love taking hot baths. You guys, if you watch my channel, you know, that's like one of my happy places. It's one of the things I do. Like if I'm feeling kind of glum, or I just need to like get away for like 10 minutes, because usually that's about as long as they are. My kids are pounding on the door or whatever. But anyway, it's always nice. Okay, so here we have a bag that says Inspire. Don't know what this is. I'm excited. Ooh, 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 ooh. So we have a smudge. This is some sage, I believe. I'm guessing. To burn, or, you know, to clear your space. And then we have a little crystal here. How pretty is that? It's quartz. So this is like the, as far as I understand, this is your crystal that is going to, what is that word? Amplify your other crystals. And, you know, this stuff clears your space of a negative energy. And then there are some seashells, I believe, in here. It's exciting. So exciting. And the bag is so beautiful. So there's a little clamshell. And then there, look, this looks like a tiger's eye, but it could be some sort of quartz that I don't know the name of. That's cool, right? It's so cool. Okay. I'm being a corny. Being corny. I'm fangirling. All right. We have some pencils. I have tons of these. The twig pencil, I love them. I can't have enough. I went like a big giant jar just full of these. So we have 6 in total. Blue, well, no, dark blue, light blue, yellow, orange, pink, and what looks like black. So there are those, and they're all wrapped up in twine. So cute. For our journal, of course. Next, we have a Sunset Passion Encouragement Quartz Blend. This is from the Earthy Child. So if you look, aromatherapy and amethyst quartz blend to boost inner confidence and promote positivity. So if you look inside, it does have little stones in there. Oh, it smells like oranges. Oh, yes. Oh, it's so nice. I love neroli. This isn't neroli. This is like a brighter orange, like a infused calendula, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, essential oil blend, which is frankincense, black pepper, orange, and lime. So it's orange and lime. Super bright. It almost smells like an orange candy. Like an orange heart candy. It's so nice. I like this very much. And then in my full review, which I'm going to link to below, I will link to each of these companies so you can check them out. I always love to give them little shouts. Ooh, what's this? And I'll also link to Simple Happy Kindred, so you can check them out as well. All right, so this is Wild Rose. This is that sticker in the beginning of the box. This is their Solstice Botanical Salt Spray with spearmint and juniper, handmade in Oregon. 1 ounce. Ooh. Oh, it smells like, oh, it smells like winter, but like, what am I, is this like for your room, or I'm going to have to look into what this is for. Solstice is refreshing and cool with a warm, gentle spice. Hints of spearmint, juniper, and chamomile creates a calming balance of extremes. This complex has a little something for everyone. For your mood, produces negative ions, remineralizes skin and textures hair. Okay, you can use it as an air freshener, yoga mat spray, or subtle hair and body perfume. And because it is a salt spray, it'll leave your hair with some texture, which is really nice. So that's everything that I received in my Simple Happy Kindred. Love this box. What do you think of it? Let me know down below. This is like one of my favorite boxes like this in a long time. I'm really into it. So if you're interested in the full review, check that out. I will also link to them so you can check them out too. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.